I'm not quite sure what is going on at the moment, because when you think about things, the media, the press, and the press, the royal family and the government do it all together. But we've had all this, right, where many will have made videos talking, well, they won't show you the ones on top, but people have sent me many videos showing that these people that are sending the videos or making the videos don't believe the video of her sitting on this bench while making this video. I mean, personally, YouTube need to apologise to me for treating me like they have, nearly killing my channel off. Whenever I appeal, I put in there, I've made some of the videos to show you that I put in there that they need to put the software in to stop these deepfakes coming through to us. It doesn't matter who it is. If they have this platform where they're telling us what to do and what not to do, then they can't be biased and put out, we can put out the royal family, the media and the press and the government's fake videos, but the people aren't allowed to do it, because that's what they're telling you. All those months, whenever I make an appeal, I put in there, you are not treating me right, people have woken up, we can see what's going on in the videos, and you need to put the software in. So this place actually needs to take that off my admin panel and apologise to me. And lo and behold, I think it was Lady Legs sent me the video of P. Diddy about Prince Harry in the last 24 hours. What is going on? And the media have been gunning for him anyway. What is it? Is he that he's promoting the royal family over there and all this is part of their game? Or is it that he's decided, I don't want to be a part of it anymore, and they're slagging him off, talking about Meghan, saying how horrible she is, wanting you to hate her so that you don't like him? I don't know. Or is it all just part of the game? But now there's this big thing with P. Diddy. It's not, I don't think that he did the sex trafficking. It's that he is, in with, and now he's been used in lawsuits. I mean, that is incredible. Look at it. So are these people horrible? Are these people all horrible putting out this stuff about Harry? Are they horrible? Is that going to be on their admin panel? Because obviously I am seriously picked on by YouTube, and God only knows why, because the bomb has now blasted, because everybody else can see the problems. And look at it all. There is video after video after video about Harry. So what is going on? Is it that everybody's trying to break away from the English Empire? Is that what it is? Okay, we've stopped down there, but there is quite a few. Are all these people horrible? Are they going to have on their admin panel that they're harmful to the people? Because I'm not harmful to the people. I've just shown people the lies. And maybe I was not one of the first, but one that would go on and on about it. And I am harmful to the people. YouTube, you need to apologise to me. And look, the whole royal family, what is happening to them? No William, Kate's got problems, Charles got problems, and now Harry's got problems. Well, shall we hear a tiny weeny bit? Let's just see if we can find a bit on the news. Oh. Well, CB, whatever that is, or GB, this one here, GB, they have it on their news, and 7 News Australia. I mean, if you want to get any gossip, go to, and they seem to slang their words out. I quite like some of their answers, but they're part of it, aren't they? So, but anyway, shall we just have a look at a little bit of what they're saying about Prince Harry? But then we're going to look at the news on YouTube. Let's just see if they're similar.
Things almost royal, or previously royal, Prince Harry has been named in a lawsuit against P. Diddy.
Yeah,
so he's taking the legal action, or?
Yes, so it's a bit complicated. So yesterday, of course, we were talking about those raids, and they were quite extraordinary, those raids. You know, it was like a military operation going into both the mansions on each coast, and we'll come back to that. But this is unrelated to that. This is coincidental that this story has dropped. So this is the story of a man called Rodney Little Rod Jones, who's a producer who's filed a $30 million civil suit against P. Diddy. He's got several suits against him. Now, in the paperwork for this, he has mentioned Prince Harry's name, using Prince Harry as an example of the sort of people that P. Diddy would mix with. He's not accusing Prince Harry of having done anything wrong whatsoever. And to be very honest, there is no suggestion, there's no evidence that P. Diddy and Prince Harry are friends in any way. This vision you see here was back in 2007 at a charity event, and Prince William there as well. And some newspapers are sort of cropping him out of the photographs they're using. But that seems to be the only time they've met and been together. So unwittingly, Prince Harry has been kind of dragged into this one. And, you know, I'm no major Prince Harry fan, but you've got to be fair about these things. He's sort of, through no fault of his own, now been implicated into this, and his name, of course, ends up becoming the headline. But we'll see where that case goes. But meanwhile, where is P. Diddy? You know, we were following this yesterday. We thought maybe he was heading to Barbados or somewhere in the Caribbean, but no. In fact, they've been the Prime Minister of Antigua. He said, well, he's not here, and there was some suggestion he was still in Miami. It's amazing to do those very extensive raids and then not to be able to track him down and to find him and talk to him. Presumably they must have some questions.
Yeah, okay.
That does seem extraordinary. Like, you'd track his phone, wouldn't you? I mean, I'm no FBI agent.
Yeah, well,
you just track his
creepy.
phone?
The one thing I noticed in this, and what the next two clips are about, is that people are so shocked because the big bit you're not saying is that Harry is the only person mentioned on the document. Everybody else, they managed to, oh, he came from that corporation or whatever it was, and so they've hidden their names in there. But Harry is the only one who is named on the document, and now tells you that Harry was present. So what is it that I've got that dirt on you, and when we want to, we're going to release it. Maybe this is why Harry has left, because he knew this would come out eventually. What the? So these are the games that we play. These are the people that are running us and ruling us and making all the choices for you.
But this story is pretty shocking from what I've been reading this morning. And that is, Harry has finally found himself in court paperwork that is not of his doing, and he really does not want to be part of this one. This isn't gossip, this is pretty horrific. P. Diddy, the rapper formerly once engaged, I think, to J-Lo, is now in the middle of his very own court case. Lots of accusations, not too dissimilar to a certain island. Now, that is unfortunately for Harry not where the similarities end, because we know a famous member of the royal family was dragged into the Epstein case, Harry's uncle. And Harry is being named in this case. Now, I'd like to make this clear. I am not making any implications that Prince Harry has done anything wrong. My understanding of it is they have named Harry as one of the many famous faces that attended some of these parties, where, as it stands, the accusations that are against Sean Combs, otherwise known as P. Diddy, that some of the guests were in fact victims of trafficking. As you can imagine, this is going to turn into a very, very big court case.
Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday, the 26th of March. Now, I'm not quite sure whether you've seen the news, but over the last 24 hours, P. Diddy's homes have been raided by Homeland Security agents as the rapper faces multiple mounting lawsuits for sex trafficking charges. Why on earth would I be mentioning P. Diddy or Sean Puffy Coombs on this particular channel? Well, it seems Prince Harry has been linked to him, and not just in a very sidebar-ish way, but he's been named, yes, named, in court documents. Now, I have to preface this with he's not alleged to have done anything. It doesn't accuse him of being an accomplice or anything like that, but he is solely the only one named in the court document. All the other people are hidden by organisations and companies, but his name, Prince Harry, has popped up on page 63 of the court document.
I just, before this bit, showed you that there are more channels doing this. So are all these people harmful to the people? Are these people doing the same thing? You know, I don't know what YouTube have got in for me. I must have said the right things along the way. Well, the wrong things, but I must have told you the truth then. Because these people are doing it. And what does this mean? Why, when this whole case didn't happen, wasn't Harry's name put forward then? Because only a short period later, it's put in now. But you know what? Because they're, well, we know. Anyway, I don't want to say too much, but when they do these things, I think it's a promotion. I think they get promoted. So to you, they're humiliated in the news, but actually they get promoted. Or are they just not real people? They're all just actors, and it's just all... Oh. Anyway, look at the spin that it's spinning now. What do you make of that then? On top of the Kate and the Charles thing.